Hello and welcome to another tutorial on Python tricks. In this video we're going to talk about the difference between extend and append methods in list in Python. Okay, so imagine we have two lists A and B like this, 1, 2, 3 in A and 4, 5, 6 in B. What if I say A that's append B? Let's see what is inside A. If we save it and run it, here we can see that the whole list of B has been appended to list A. Okay. Instead, if I replace append with extend and see what is inside A, here, as you can see, the elements in B have been appended to list A one by one. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more Python tricks, please subscribe this channel. See you next time.